Alright, today we are going to be rebuilding a carburetor, single barrel, for a 68 Ford Mustang. We threw it in some chem dip last night, get it all cleaned up, bought a carb rebuild kit so we could replace a couple missing pieces.
By the way, the carb rebuild kit was purchased through O'Reilly's with overnight shipping. It was about $34 after tax. And let's see, where's it at? Here is the part number in case anybody's curious about it. It is a Walker brand. It's got everything we need, including extra gaskets. We got all our little ball bearings, our needle and seat gaskets, diaphragms, the whole 9 yards. The kiln dip did do an excellent job, but we still got to do some scrubbing on it, get everything out of the bowl, get it all cleaned up, wiped down. And so little Darian, or as I call him, Shaldo, is going to get started on that. Alright, you want to get the directions out and make sure you follow it right? I won't record the whole thing, so if you screw up, it's recorded. And then the next rebuild kit's on you.
Yeah, you know what's wonderful about that? Video editing.
Video editing won't solve a torn gasket.
Yeah, well, who said I'm going to tear the gasket?
Or putting the ball in the wrong place.
I'm not. Ball, 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 ball.
Here, tell you what. Take the camera. Go over the instruction sheet. I'll be right back.
This is the instruction sheet.
I'm going to get the tripod for the camera.
Pretty standard, I guess. I don't know what I'm looking at here. But all the numbers, the balls for where they are, needle and seat, cleaning, special instructions in case there's anything super wrong, I guess. But yeah, this did a pretty nice job. Last night this was all gunked up, cleaned it nice and well.
Let me see the camera.
Oh, you got a little tripod. Yeah, I guess that is a little tripod. Which brush am I going to use?
Use the softer one, that way you don't scar the metal. And you think it's a little tripod, but...
Does it extend? I guess I'll start with the bowl.
Hey, just do it underneath the camera, dude.
There, am I in the frame?
I don't know, are you? Yeah, you are.
Cool.
You have to.
I'm gonna need a harder brush.
No.
What, use the carb cleaner?
Dip the brush in the kiln dip. Use it as a lubricant, and it'll also eat away at whatever's left in the bowl. And if you want to try a slightly harder brush, just be careful with those bristles, so you don't scratch the rest of it. See, you're lucky with the gaskets and everything and the kiln dip, there's no residue. So that can just be wiped down and it's still a smooth, flat surface.
Yeah, I might have to go for a harder brush to get that out. Give me the next one.
Brass. Here, let me see it. That would work with the corners over here on the side. because that's worse than that.
I'll start with the light brush again. I can't get in there.
Figure it out.
The plastic on the brush.
Make a suggestion. See this rag? Get you a smaller flathead.
Ingenuity at its finest. Don't try this at home, kids. All this poor gunk. Poor carb. It's treated poorly. That or just didn't take care of it. You know what? It's in better shape than that one was, so.
Move that body. Here's the original carburetor.
Oh, what's left?
Everything on is busted. Full of spider webs. I am going to hunt down parts for it, and I'm going to rebuild it and keep it as a spare. So this might be coming apart and getting soaked too.
Hey, you can take that one apart while I'm rebuilding this one.
I haven't decided if I'm going to do it yet or not. Honestly, if looking for those parts come out the same price as a new one,
It'd just be easier to buy a new one.
yep.
A lot less man time. Oop, don't need that, slip it away. It's a flathead, so don't need it. That's a flathead.
You do remember what screws went where, right?
Yes. Flatheads were on the side, Phillips were on top, sealing it all together.
Alright, what about putting those on? By the way, you can probably just get away with using a rag on these and wiping them down real good.
This was left side, this was right side.
It goes just like this.
Okay, then I got them backwards. Right side, left side. Because they meet in the middle and hook into
Alright, now
something.
the carburetor sits in there just like you have it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which side did this go on?
Okay, so it sits in there like this. Because it hooked up to the chunk. Which meant it went.
Look at the part itself. Look at the part itself and how it's sitting.
Yes, it's like this. Obviously, it's not going to sit like this.
Does it go on this side or go on this side?
Honestly, I'm trying to figure
And
out which
why?
hook points.
Tell me which side it goes on and why it goes on that side without looking at the damn instruction paper.
It's okay, I can't find it on the fucking instructions anyways.
Okay, pick up that other one.
No, the same thing.
What is different about the two?
This one has more of a curve,
No.
and this one has the plastic piece, which screws into...
You have a screw, right? So that's for your adjustment. You ain't going to be able to adjust from this side because you got the valve covered, no room. So don't it make sense it'll be on this
side?
on the outside?
Okay, yeah.
By the way, that's backwards. Flip it around. There you go.
Yeah, I had to flip it the right way. That goes here. These go here. Slowly figuring out where everything goes. Cool, can I start rebuilding?
No. Everything's got to be wiped down.
Yeah, I know.
As a matter of fact, technically, pick up the carb body. You should have a rag under it.
Rag under this.
And a rag under that. And then take those screws and wrap them up in a rag. That way they can dry off. Okay, we honestly... Do we still need that?
I think we do. I don't think it came with one.
No, it did not come with an air adjustment screw. Can't lose the springs.
And we need those still.
These can go on here. Gasket don't really need. Alright. Now, continue.
What? Besides cleaning.
That's all you're doing right now is just cleaning. So right now, for the time being, we don't. Alright, so what you're doing?
Alright, right now I am putting the diaphragms back on and starting to reassemble.
Hang on. You didn't clean these off, did you?
Haha. Look at you. Hey, at least you caught it because I wouldn't have. First I'm going to do some more cleaning and then reassemble. That's the flathead I need. Damn it. Now the fun part.
Do it in front of the camera, dude.
No, I'm not.
Don't play with the diaphragm like that. You pop a hole in it, it's screwed.
I'm not meaning to. No matter what, yeah, I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, it's supposed to look like that.
You sure you got the spring facing the right way?
Nope. Cheater sheet. Yes, I do. Not before I even put that on, I might as well clean off some screws. Did this have washers on them? Yeah, they did. Oh, I cleaned it. I'm gonna have to re-clean my hands. I don't remember which side it is. That's why we have cheater sheets.
There's no I'm forgetting. Curse you.
Wait, let me see. Because I have this. Give me a second. Let me face this.
The carburetor sits on there like that.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing it to the instruction sheet. Just give me a second. Figuring it out.
Millennials.
Look, as long as I can figure it out, I'm good. This side goes on this side. Alright.
Yeah.
Look, I had to remember.
We've already discussed that.
Yeah, but I needed to make sure.
As long as you haven't messed with that screw, we won't have to readjust it.
I didn't fuck with the screw. Why would I? I don't need. Because I've got to put this.
Put the carburetor up on the side and make it easier.
And I've got to attach all four of these things.
Yeah, I'll give you a hint. It'd be easier if you go ahead and attach the arm down here.
And then put it on.
Now put your spring in. You want an extra hand?
Yeah. Just don't knock over the camera.
Too late. Set that up there. There.
Yep.
Now hold it in place and get your screws in.
Oh, I've got it held in place. Thankfully. As long as I can get two in, I can slightly less of force. Just there. Okay, yeah, this isn't as bad as I thought.
Now see, the top part of the car is going to be a little more fun.
And that's why we didn't put those pieces in yet. Because otherwise, I would have dumped them all over the place.
Your screw and spring, you remember where the screw and spring went?
Screw and spring?
Yeah, your air needle?
Yeah, right here.
Alright. Got to test his memory. I feel like my father right now. He used to do the same crap to me.
Well, at least I know where you learned it from. As long as I don't over-tighten shit, I'll be good.
Do it till it's snug and then do a slight turn past. And just keep in mind, if it leaks, it's on you.
Well, obviously it's on me. I'm the one rebuilding. We'll blame it on Casper. How about that?
Now I sound like me when I was a kid. Everything that went wrong, Casper did it.
Alright, that's one side.
Make sure, go ahead and make sure it's all tight.
Nice and tight. Time for the other side. Oh well, I guess I could have just used that, huh? Looked up there. It's missing quite a few pieces.
This carburetor is busted 10 ways from Sunday. The top and the body are still good, but it needs some new parts.
I think it's more than a couple new parts. Go ahead and hook this in. Am I sure I put these on the right way? Am I sure I did this right? Yeah, because that side has the screw, that side doesn't. Correct? Maybe? Did I put it on backwards? I'm gonna be slightly upset if I put it on backwards, but hey, at least you learn from my mistakes. And yeah.
The rebuild kit comes with a couple of these clips.
Like this one?
Yep.
Awesome. Well then, it's alright.
So we can turn around, take the arm off itself.
Put the arm through.
Did it go in that way? Or did it go in this way? You always want to make sure of that.
You know, it's kind of hard to tell on this stupid cheater sheet.
And it
They
here.
both came in the same direction. So, this one came in this side. So, this would also come in this way.
So we went ahead and took that apart for nothing. So before we put that in, put this back together.
Well, they both go in this way. It's getting it in, which is my problem. Because if you look on the cheater sheet, 33 and 36. Well, roughly that area.
Let's see it. Where's the arm? Where's the other arm?
Right here.
So it came in this way, right?
Mm-hmm. You made that a lot simpler than I would. Wow. All right. This is why I don't do this alone, kids. Because I would fail. You'd be watching a 2-hour video of nothing.
Yeah. Smoke back in the face.
And then you just, what, feed it through? Yep. Look at that. Alright, now I can start piecing this back together. Alright.
That's how it'll look.
Yep. Anyway, I need this.
Another diaphragm and a spring.
Diaphragm. And my other spring. These are all nice and white.
If I was smart, I'd be drinking right now.
Hey, I'm not right on. Can't drink.
Watch me.
Okay, you shouldn't drink.
What's that old saying? I drive better when I'm drunk. A few beers won't even get me buzzed, dude.
Look, I'm not saying it won't. Or it will.
Now, once you get this diaphragm on and everything, you need to go through and get your balls in. Mm-hmm. Remember, that peg also goes right here.
There, after a ball is dropped in.
His balls are dropping, people.
There it is. And I'll force it. Never hurts to dry off some screws again. Make sure you get it extra clean. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I did, didn't I?
What'd you do?
Oh, I just disconnected it. It's no big deal. Diaphragm. Spring on.
Watch your hands. Get your hands in the way. There you go.
Yep, spring's still lined up. Time to toss in some screws.
Do you need an extra hand?
Nope, I got it.
All right. We might still do a live stream today. I'm not sure.
Depends if this makes the car run.
Well, the car will run.
Oh, well, yeah. But
now, my suggestion, hold off to do the BBs and the peg until after you have the top rebuilt.
that way I can just slide those in and then screw the top on.
Yep.
Alright.
Because you also have to put a jet in on that top half too. Which I don't know if this came with a new jet or not.
No idea.
There's it down.
There's the gasket though.
Nope, we did not get a new jet.
Wonderful.
It's a good thing we put this in to soak.
Mm-hmm.
Look how clean that came out too.
Oh, I know. Nice and sparkly.
So while you're working on that, I'm gonna clean the jet up some.
Go ahead and screw this back in.
You already told me. Do it down here in front of the camera, dude.
Look, I'm just finding where I'm putting everything. Screw spring, yeah. Now, how tight should I put it?
Not cranked all the way down.
Well, I know that, but...
That should be good right there.
Now putting the top together is going to be the fun part. Where did this go? Where did this go?
What are you looking for?
I don't know what the fuck this is.
That goes in right here.
Oh, can I just thread that back in?
You can if you want to.
Screw it, won't hurt. That doesn't thread in all the way, does it? Or does it?
No, you'll have to tighten it in by wrench.
Okay, well, as long as I get it in place, I'm good.
Well, I go through and re-wipe down this top.
Look, I re-wiped it down, but then I touched it.
Well, it's got residue all over it.
Like I said, I touched it afterwards. There's no way. Yeah, that's what I thought. Correct. Okay. Okay, that's why I'm missing one.
What are you looking for?
What's the third size on the ratchet set? Or not the ratchet, yeah, the wrench.
Huh?
Because it goes,
That was a 1/2 inch or a,
It's the 1/2 inch. Thank you.
Do you still have that pin from where you took the float off last night?
Should be sitting in the, thing.
He still has the pin. I'm shocked.
Look,
Alright, I went ahead and got your jet in, cleaned it up,
Okay.
wiped it back down. So you need to do the needle in the seat with this gasket. Go ahead and put the float back in. Needle in seat go in first.
Yeah.
So we can move this out of the way for right now.
Where does the gasket go?
You can't tell by the one still in there.
Oh, okay, so I'm gonna have to remove that.
Yep.
The question is how?
You really have a lack of faith in my toolbox?
No, I don't have a lack of faith in your toolbox. I just have a lack of faith in ingenuity. Totally different thing. That, no, we have the 1/2 inch. We're just missing the one in between the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch.
Here.
Oh, look at that, yeah. Good pick.
So let's go ahead and get that old gasket out if we can.
Awesome if we could.
Old gasket's out.
All right,
Now,
drop.
see that one?
Hey, it goes like that.
New gasket's in.
Okay, alright. And then let's put a little bit in.
Nope. Seated all the way down.
Well, I know, I meant before I use a wrench. Should hopefully be a 3/8.
Honestly, he's doing better than I thought he would.
Look, I try to remember. Correct, I was. Yes, correct, I was. Correct, I was. Correct, I wasn't.
Remember, that is aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
Too tight, you bust it.
I honestly, I can tighten it a little
And don't
more.
flip it upside down, or else that needle's going to fall out. I'm going to go ahead and save them a little bit more trouble too.
Ta-da, needle and seat is in. Guess I will flip it around so I can just toss this float in and not drop it.
Ah, you got it in upside down.
Thank you. There we go.
Pin's right there.
Got my pin.
Let me ask you something. Did you clean off that float?
Oh my god.
There's a can of carburetor cleaner up on the front of the car. Wash it down with the carburetor cleaner. Use a rag and wipe it. I spoke too soon. He was doing good.
Hey, look. I tried.
Dude, do it back here.
I ain't that worried about it. I don't think they care to exactly watch me clean everything.
It's part of the process.
Yeah, but it makes a boring video. If they watch me clean everything.
No, what doesn't make it boring is if I start hazing you.
Let's not.
Does it, Pee-wee?
Look, I'm okay with Shaggy and Waldo. Pee-wee's crossing the line.
Alright, you good now?
Yep, nice and clean.
Alright, are you done with the top?
Maybe? I don't know, let me count my screws and everything else.
Well, you're going to have some extra screws because that choke cover's got to go back on.
Yeah, I know. There are three flatheads right here. So these 8 screws go there. 6 screws.
Alright. You want to put the choke cover back on?
Yeah, it goes here. Swap these out again. This had a gasket on it, right?
Yes, it had a gasket. A round gasket.
Yeah, it'd be this one.
Put it on there and make sure.
Oh, I am correct.
The little round part goes on the thingy.
Mm-hmm. But it's getting it to line up. That is the issue sometimes. Okay. Got all nice lined up.
Alright, get your screws in.
I always tighten it with this. Or at least throw it in.
I don't think he realizes he... Alright, watch your arm. I'm trying to set you up over here.
Don't press it just yet.
Oh, it's already recording, dude.
Oh, so it is. Alright, so we'll just edit that out. Video editing! Boy, it's a magical, wonderful thing.
That I have not mastered.
That is okay. I'm hopefully just a little bit better than you are. I haven't edited too many videos in my time, but ones I have, I would say I did decent.
No, it's for.
I know, I'm looking for it. I don't know where I fucking put it. Ha I'm cheating. Don't worry. Let me cheat. Yes! Ah.
Where's your 7/16 wrench?
Okay. Nice, let's tighten this. No, that's a 1/2 inch.
You got me stuck on 7/16.
Look, it's either 7/16, 1/2 inch, or fucking 5/8. That's what this car has been so far. It's actually kind of wonderful.
Says you.
Yeah, that's me. Makes it easy.
You got the linkage and everything hooked up yet?
Hmm. 1/8 to 7/16.
You ain't gonna need that.
Let's put this back on, yeah. No, you broke it. Hey, what's that go to? Oh, yeah, that. See, that's why I'm glad he's here. Otherwise, I would have forgotten about that. I don't like how loose that just sits in there. But, it's whatever. That's a fucking 1/2 inch.
Got it getting tight?
Yep.
Pick up the battery.
Actually, double check.
You got it tightened up at the base?
Down here?
Mm-hmm.
As tight as it'll get.
I'm
Without-
talking about your nuts.
Yeah. Not a 1/2 inch. 7/16, of course. Yeah, because this one I couldn't socket. I had to. Yeah, this one can work a little bit more.
Remember, that is 50 years old.
Yep.
Alright. Get the gas can, get the line ran to it, and once that's all done, I'll hand you the keys and we'll start her up.
It's gonna be kind of hard to start up, and considering there's no fucking driver's seat. Just thought about that. All right. We'll move him out here.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to juggle the camera and my keys.
All right, let's hear this baby roar. I gotta sit on the fucking rod in there.
You can put that chair in it.
Yeah, and hit the ceiling.
Better than nothing.
I'd rather sit on the floor. I say that, but man, this is surprisingly low.
Yeah.
And key. in. Alright, ready?
Go for it. Did you put the fuel line in the can?
Yep. I guess that means I have to pump the gas pedal a few times, huh? Alright. Ready for me to start again?
Hang on.
I asked.
Do you have the gas pedal down?
Yeah, I do.
All right. And she runs. And my wife didn't want me getting a rebuild kit yet. Ah! All right, go ahead and kill it. And that is a rebuilt carburetor to get the straight six rolling. See you guys later.